Okay, so we're all logged in, we've registered for our account, and the next thing I want to talk about is the account management screen. You can get to it from two places here. You can click the account management link up top or the My Account link down here in this submenu. I am going to click the account management link up top, and it will show you the account management details page. Your account type will be picked for you automatically. In this case, it says citizen account. Basically, it's just saying that I am a public user and I'm not with Douglas County. The next section is your login information. You can click the edit button and it will let you edit everything except your username. And I'll show you real quick. So email address, password, security question, you can change all of those after the fact. The business registration information you do not need to worry about. And what I mean by that is Douglas County has automated this process for you. So when you go and register your business, it will fill this in automatically. You do not need to click add a registration. And if you do, you actually would probably end up getting stuck because there is no mechanism to add your registration automatically. So the next part of this training will show you how to apply for a business registration, and I will show you how it gets added to this section automatically. The section below that is contact information. So the information we added on intake for our account registration is here under actions, like we spoke about earlier. Anytime you have an actions, you can click the drop down. You can view this and change some of this information, or you can click add a contact to add another contact on this account. We do not have trust accounts set up, but this is the area where if you did have trust accounts, it would show up as it was tied to your account. This bottom section is important. So a delegate is somebody who can do things in the system on your behalf. And the best way to describe this is if you're a big business or you're a contractor and you have multiple people working for you, whether it's office staff or inspectors, you can add them as a delegate under your account so that they can, again, do things on your behalf. And I'll show you what I mean. So if I wanted to add somebody, let's say I had an office person, and I wanted them to be able to do everything because I don't actually pull the permits and I don't pay the fees or call in the inspections. I have workers that do that for me. I would click add a delegate. You would just add their name. You would add their email. And then you would set their permissions. So as you can see, if I wanted to allow this person to create applications, to renew records, amend records, call inspections or cancel them. So this is just a manage. So any options that are available in the system for inspections, which includes calling them, if you're allowed to reschedule them or cancel them, they would have the ability to do that, manage documents, and make payments. So these are all the options you have. Anything you see to the right where it says change, you can click it and you can get a little bit more drilled down into what exactly they can do. So this gives you all the different permit types or business registrations. So let's say you only wanted this person to be able to do, roofing. You would just go ahead and click these, or just unclick ones that they can't do, and then save the ones that they can. And you can do that. You would click this CAPTCHA, I'm not a robot, and do this, and then once you are able to do that, you would just click invite a delegate and they get an email sent to their email address. If they already have an ACA account, it will link it, and if they don't, it'll take them to the site for them to register. And once you do that, that person, let me hit cancel here, that person will show up here. So if you have somebody that eventually you need to change the permissions, or let's say they stop working for you, or whatever happens, you can go ahead and edit their access and change it from here. Now, this will show you people who can access your account so that you've invited as a delegate, or if you yourself are a delegate, it'll show you below people whose account I can access.